Hi, it's Matt from Beko. With our new side venting ovens, you get even cooking through the whole cavity. But we've had a few questions about how to remove the racks and put them back in. So we thought we'd take a minute to show you how that's done. So just removing the racks, you obviously just need to pull everything out. It's really important when you're running a pyrolytic clean on the pyrolytic models as well. Alright, we've removed the racks. Now we just need to get the side racks out and the side venting panels need to come out at the same time. So to do that, if you just start at the front of the rack and pull it out, you'll find that the side venting rack should have come out as one piece. So you see it's all come out, we've got our rails here. Now to clean it, you can take them apart like that. Now putting them back in, it's really important that you put them back in the same way they came out. So you need to connect it all together. So make sure the fittings go in the relevant holes, and then when you are putting it back in, you just put it back in the holes in the back of the unit, aligned in there, and then you just click it back in at the front. And that way your side venting panels have gone back in and your racks locked it in place.